characters in this play, Dhaniram and Chandran.
Dhaniram, why do you burn wood in your factory? The smoke pollutes the environment. Also driving your old car which emits black smoke, which is harmful.
How does my little pollution matter in this big world? Pollution by one man is like a drop in the ocean. It matters for the whole ecosystem.
I must teach him a lesson and make him realize his mistake. Let me throw some garbage in his garden to see his reaction.
Hey, why have you thrown litter in my garden? It will seep into the soil and destroy my flowers and plants.
How will one man's litter affect your whole garden? It's just a small amount which cannot destroy whole plants and flowers.
That is nonsense. You are destroying my flowers and plants and you must stop. If every person in the world will think like you, then gradually all the gardens with the beautiful flowers will vanish from the earth.
That's exactly what I am saying. You must realize how every individual should take the responsibility of saving the Mother Earth and its environment.
Oh,
Do you know many diseases are caused by pollution like asthma, bronchitis and other respiratory disorders?
oh, I am sorry. I have now realized my mistake. It is true that every person is responsible for Earth's degradation. I'll be extra careful from now on and tell others to protect our Earth from pollution.
Remember, our earth is a precious jewel that needs to be protected from the devastation of pollution by each and every individual. Earth is for everyone's need and not for everyone's greed. Thank you.